Hi, I'm Mohan Singh.
I'm Ankit Goswami, and we are fourth semester students of EC and SIT.
In this video, we'll show you a game, Asteroids, that we made on Arduino platform and use Oscilloscope working on XY mode as a display.
This is an Arduino Uno R3 with a shield that was provided to us by a CATT and SIT mounted upon it. This here is the first DAC resistive network whose output is taken from this onto this Vero board over here, and the probes for oscilloscope. This would go into channel X are connected over here. This is the second DAC resistive network which gives us the Y voltage, and this is the common ground. The shield has 4 buttons mounted upon it, first being a standard reset button for resetting the whole Arduino board. These two are for turning the spaceship left and right respectively, and this red button here is for firing bullets from the spaceship in the game.
Window.